If you are tired of working hard and still struggling to make ends meet, this video is for you. Because too many South Africans are stuck in low-paying jobs, not because they are lazy or not smart enough, but because they don't have a clear plan to escape. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to use 2026 as your turning point. Not overnight, not with magic, but with a clear and realistic approach that helps you move out of low-paying jobs and into better opportunities over time. If you are watching this and you haven't subscribed yet, guys, hit that subscribe button. Every week I share practical, South African-focused career advice that helps you earn more money, grow faster, and make better job decisions. And when you subscribe, you are also helping someone else who needs this information but hasn't found it yet. Now let's get straight into it. The first thing you need to understand is this: low pay isn't always about effort. Many people work very hard in jobs that don't simply pay well, not because how loyal or committed you are. So if you are stuck in a low-paying job, blaming yourself won't help. Understanding the system will. In 2026, escaping low-paying jobs starts with being honest about where you are. You need to clearly see how much you are earning and how much it's growing each year, and whether the job has any real future. If your salary hasn't increased in years and the work hasn't changed, that's a warning sign. Because many South Africans wait too long because the job feels familiar. Familiar feels safe, but familiar can quietly trap you. The next thing you need to do is stop chasing jobs and start chasing value. The honest truth is that low-paying jobs usually exist where skills are easy to replace. If many people can do the same work with little training, salaries stay low. To escape low salaries, you need to move closer to work that solves problems, saves money, reduces risk for a business. This doesn't mean you need to become someone else or start from zero. It means you need to look at your current role and ask better questions. What part of your job actually matter? What skills are you using that could be valuable elsewhere? What skills could you add that would make you harder to replace? In 2026, value beats effort every time. Hi, I know I'm interrupting your video, but this is important if you are job hunting in South Africa right now. If you've been sending CV after CV and hearing nothing back, the problem it's not you, it's your tools. That's why I built the Job Hunters Toolkit. Inside you'll get 5 proven South African CV templates, 5 matching cover letters, a job-winning CV and cover letter guide, the 20 most common interview questions with answers, and even 20 job boards where you can apply, including hidden ones that most people don't even know about. It's everything you need to finally land interviews all in one place. Click the link up here or in the description now to grab it and give yourself a real chance, because you deserve it. Now back to the video. Another important step is understanding that income growth comes from direction, not desperation. Many people try to escape a low salary by applying for anything that pays slightly more. That often leads to small jumps followed by the same frustrations in a new company. You feel busy, but your life doesn't really change. Instead, you need direction. You need to know what kind of work pays better and why. You need to choose a direction that makes sense for you. Then build towards it slowly but consistently. That could mean moving into roles linked to data, operations, systems, customer management, sales support, compliance, or tech support. It doesn't matter which one you choose at first. What matters is that you choose on purpose. Now, let's talk about skills, because skills are the real escape route. Nowadays, degrees don't matter like they used to before, but skills matter more. If you don't actively build skills that the market pays for, your income will stay low. If you do, opportunities will start appearing. You don't need to study full-time or spend money you don't have. You need to learn small things consistently. one or two skills that stack on top of what you already have can change your earning potential over time. For example, if you work in admin, learning systems, reporting, or basic data skills can open better roles. If you work in customer service, learning customer success, account support, or process improvement can increase your value. Small upgrades compound. Another big mistake people make is waiting for their employer to fix their salary. Companies don't wake up one day and suddenly decide to double salaries. Salary increases usually comes after value. If you are not becoming more useful over time, your salary won't change much, no matter how long you stay. You need to take responsibility for your own growth. That doesn't mean being disloyal. It means being realistic. Your employer manages the business. You manage your career. Let's talk about visibility, because many low-paid workers are invincible. You can be doing good work and still be overlooked. If no one knows what you are capable of, opportunities will pass you by. That's why visibility matters more than people think. It doesn't mean showing off. It means being clear. Clear about what you do. Clear about what you are learning. Clear about the value you bring. Whether that's through conversations, LinkedIn, or internal discussions, clarity creates opportunities. Another key part of escaping low salary is preparing before you need to move. If you wait until you are completely fed up, you rush, you accept offers you shouldn't, you panic when nothing comes back quickly. Preparation removes panic. You should always be quietly preparing, continuously improving your CV, learning skills, understanding the market, building small connections. When the right opportunity comes, you are ready. Now, let's talk about patience, because escaping low pay doesn't happen in one jump. Most people who earn well today didn't escape low-paying jobs overnight. They made one smart move, then another, then another. Each move gave them more skills, more confidence, and more options. If you expect instant results, you'll get discouraged. If you focus on progress, you'll build momentum. The last thing I want you to understand is this: staying in a low-paying job for too long costs more than living carefully. Low salaries don't only affect your bank account, it affects your confidence, your stress levels, and your belief in what's possible. Escaping is not greedy, it's responsible. So if you want to use 2026 to escape low-paying jobs in South Africa, don't wait for permission. Don't wait for motivation. Start with clarity. Build value. Choose direction and stay consistent. If this video helped you see your situation differently and gave you hope, give it a like and make sure you are subscribed for more practical South African career advice. My name is Ellek, and this is 360 Careers, helping you grow, show up, and get hired. Let's go.